If you can type on your phone or laptop, then you already have a skill that can start making you money. And no, I'm not talking about surveys. I'm talking about real typing jobs that people are doing right now from home, quietly, on their own schedule, even in their free time. So stay with me, because some of the platforms I'm about to show you are seriously underrated. And yes, the correct links to every site I mention will be dropped in the video description, so you can go straight to them without confusion. Now, quick disclaimer. This video is not a guarantee that you'll get hired instantly or that every platform is hiring today. The goal here is to show you platforms that consistently offer remote opportunities, so you can focus your effort where it actually counts. Before we jump in, tap the like button and subscribe to Phony Max for more real, beginner-friendly ways to make money online. Let's get started. PC Platform 1. Amara. First on the list is Amara. This platform focuses on creating subtitles for videos, things like educational content, documentaries, and media clips. Your job is simple. Listen to spoken words and turn them into accurate captions. The flexibility here is a big advantage. You're not locked into any fixed schedule, so you can work at night or during your free time. In terms of pay, many projects fall between $3 to $7 per video minute, and it adds up quickly when you stay consistent. To begin, create a free account, upload sample work, and complete the application process. Accuracy is key, so using grammar tools can help improve your chances of getting accepted. Writing Hand Platform 2. Text Broker. Next up is Text Broker. If you prefer writing instead of listening and transcribing, this is a solid option. Text Broker connects freelance writers with businesses that need content like blog posts, product descriptions, and short articles. You don't need to be a professional writer to start. As long as you can write clearly and follow instructions, you're good to go. Here's how it works. Log in. Choose available assignments. Submit your work. Get paid after approval. You can work anytime. No meetings, no fixed hours. Beginners usually start around 1 cent to 5 cents per word, and your earnings increase as your rating improves. Platform 3. Rev. Now let's talk about Reverend. This is one of the more well-known transcription platforms. You'll be listening to audio, like interviews, podcasts, or videos, and typing exactly what you hear. What makes Rev stand out is flexibility. You choose the files you want, complete them at your own pace, and submit them. No calls, no meetings, no strict schedule. Earnings typically range between $10 to $25 per hour, depending on your speed and accuracy. As you gain experience, you unlock higher paying opportunities. Quick pause. If you're still watching, drop the word remote in the comments. Let me know you're serious about working from home. Platform 4. Transcribe Me. Finally, we have Transcribe Me. This platform is especially beginner-friendly because it focuses on shorter audio files. That means less pressure and a faster way to build your speed and confidence. You listen to short clips, type them out, and submit your work. You can work anytime, especially evenings or whenever you have free time. On average, beginners earn around $16 to $22 per hour equivalent, depending on consistency and accuracy. To get started, sign up and pass a short test. Here's the truth. You don't need to try everything. Pick one platform, focus on it, and take action today. So tell me, which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button so more people can discover it. Share it with someone who needs a way to earn from home. And subscribe to Phony Max for more simple, realistic ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.